Today for a video, I'm going to show you what I keep on my skincare trays. So I have one right here and then I have one over here. I don't really organize them in any kind of fashion. I just kind of throw some products on there, and I mainly use these products on a regular, so either during the day or at night. It's just like a mixture of what I use. Let's jump into this video, and don't forget to subscribe. So I'm gonna start with the tray that is over here. So this is what I currently keep on this tray. There's a lot of good stuff on here. I love facial sprays. Those are literally like one of my favorite things to use. The new Glow Recipe moisturizer, and so far I actually really do enjoy it. It's a good everyday moisturizer. If you have dry skin, I don't think that this is going to be suitable for you because it isn't a lot of moisture on the skin. It is a nice lightweight formula for every day. And then this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I just keep that on here because I like to mix it with a lot of my other hydrating sleeping masks. It just gives such a nice hydration to the skin. I love it. When mixed by itself, it's not too bad, but I like mixing it with other hydrating masks. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is literally one of my favorite lip masks ever. It's so freaking good. It's such a lightweight formula, but it's so hydrating. This is the Origins A Perfect World SPF 40 Age Defense Moisturizer, but I love that it has an SPF, and I absolutely love how hydrating it is. It's so perfect for every day, especially if you have dry skin. It's kind of on the thicker side, but it does go on the skin very nicely, especially for everyday use. So it doesn't feel greasy on the skin or anything like that, but it still provides a lot of hydration. I've been loving this. This is just a Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. This thing, oh my god, I am so obsessed with this. It's so awesome. This is like a spot treatment, but it's LED lights. So you turn it on, and then it has a light to it. It's like blue and pink lights, and it literally zaps your zits. I'm not kidding. It's so amazing. It just like makes them so flat and pretty much gone the next day. It's incredible. I totally recommend this. You leave it on the spot for 2 minutes 3 times a day, and it literally just zaps them. This little guy I like to use because it kind of like helps with de-stressing. I just roll this on my face and my under eye, and I like it just because it makes my skin feel a little bit less tight, and it kind of just gets rid of any tension that you might have in your face. Keep a few other little sample things over here. So this is just the Tatcha Water Cream. I sometimes use this during the day if I want like a lighter moisturizer. That one's not bad. And this is the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Face Mask. I haven't used this enough to actually form an opinion on it, but it's really cool. It's like just crushed up fruit in here. And then this is the UFO Ultra Clarifying Face Oil from Sunday Riley. I absolutely love this stuff. It smells like crap, but it really does help with blemishes. That's everything on this skincare tray. This is the Ordinary, what is this? Retinoid Emulsion. This is new. This is the only thing that I've tried from The Ordinary. I don't know, I haven't really seen a big difference in my skin after using that, but I'm going to continue to test it out just to see if it actually does something. The Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Age Prevention Cleanser. I've actually really been enjoying that. It makes my skin really soft as well. I've been opting for more of like a natural cleanser instead of something that's so harsh, just because I do have a lot of redness in my skin, and that usually is a sign that you're doing too much. So I kind of just try to stick with the basics. This is the Tony Moly Avocado Rich Cream. I've been using this at night because it is a very hydrating cream, and I also mix it with maracuja oil. This is like pretty much almost done. So I've just been mixing those two together. That's not a bad oil, I just don't like the smell of it. This is the Lancome Energie de Vie. It's kind of like a toner lotion. It's more of like a gel consistency. I just got that when I worked at Sephora, and I like to use that during the day as like more of a toner serum type deal. This is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Lifting Neck Cream. Absolutely love this stuff, and it lasts for so long. Like, I've had this bottle for literally forever now, and it's still going strong. This is the Tarte Knockout Tingling Treatment. This works really well for texture and for blemishes, but it leaves your face feeling super tingly. So if you don't like stuff like that, you probably will not like that. It's a very harsh treatment, so I only recommend using it here and there. Keep this toner in that little pump back there, that little pink thing, just because this is so nice for everyday use. It doesn't dry out my skin. It doesn't irritate my skin. It calms it because it's more like a witch hazel. In here, I just keep my toothbrush and my deodorant, and then this is just a eye concentrate from Strivectin. It's very harsh and drying, so I have to mix it with the Kiehl's creamy eye treatment, which I really enjoy. This is so hydrating and beautiful underneath the eye. It gives such a nice glow underneath the eye as well. This is just a little sample size of the needles, no more, from Dr. Brandt. I use it on my smile lines just because I want them to get the heck out of here.